What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best ring lights in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In your quest for the perfect blend of cost-effectiveness and quality, our top pick for 2024 is the Neewer 18-inch LED ring light. Known for its exceptional value, this ring light has earned its place as one of the most popular models on the market. The Neewer 18-inch ring light sports a sturdy aluminum base, while the ring itself is made of durable plastic. The older version features plastic diffusion plates, while the advanced model has the diffusion built directly onto the ring, giving it a sleeker look. Adjusting to the height is a breeze with the locking ring mechanisms. Despite their size, these lights are surprisingly stable. During our outdoor tests, they remained upright even in strong winds. The superior brightness of the older model was quite noticeable compared to the advanced model. However, inside with natural daylight streaming in, both models provided ample illumination. When used at a short arm's length distance, the older model performed well at only 25 to 30% brightness, while the advanced model needed around 60% brightness. The older model's 3200K diffusion panels were effective for most shots, but the advanced model could better match daylight color temperature, hitting around 3900K. In an outdoor setting, the older model was the clear winner in terms of brightness. With your eyes adjusted to bright sunlight, the light at 100% brightness isn't overpowering and significantly enhances photo quality. Unfortunately, the advanced model didn't make much of an impact when used outdoors. The included 61-inch light stand made from robust aluminum alloy provides excellent support. The soft tube feature enables easy rotation of the light for optimal positioning. The color filters in white and orange are crafted from high transmission plastic material, ensuring stable color temperature. It's important to note that for maximum stability, the center joint of the stand's legs should be elevated 4 to 8 inches, 10 to 20 centimeters from the ground. Raising the legs too high could cause the stand to topple, risking damage to the ring light. The Neewer ring light is ideal for a wide range of professionals and creators, including estheticians, barbers, makeup artists, and those in the tattoo and eyelash extension industries. It's also perfect for YouTubers, TikTok creators, live streamers, and selfie enthusiasts. We give it a resounding thumbs up. We're now turning the spotlight on the Elgato ring light, a game changer in the live streaming and video production industry. Given our experience and the rave reviews from users worldwide, we've concluded that it's the top-tier streaming ring light of this year. Lighting is an essential element in video production, photography, and live streaming. The Elgato ring light is a revolutionary tool that significantly enhances your production quality by providing highly adjustable, brilliant illumination tailored to your requirements. Its adjustable color temperature and bright, flicker-free lights make it an ideal choice for live streams, video calls, and more. If you're seeking consistent premium lighting for your projects, you're in the right place. Upon unboxing, you'll find the ring light, an S-mount, a camera ball mount, a power supply, and a handy quick start guide. Although it might seem large initially, once assembled, the ring light is compact and space efficient. The package includes a table stand with clamps that can be adjusted for height and a versatile power supply with plugs, allowing you to use the light anywhere in the world. The control center for the ring light is conveniently located on the base, where you can also attach your preferred webcam or video camera. What sets the Elgato ring light apart from its competitors are its customizable color and brightness controls. You can download the Elgato Control Center onto your smartphone or computer to manage the ring light's parameters, including turning it on and off. This feature is particularly useful for live streamers who need to manage their broadcast equipment without interrupting their streaming. The ring light's dual diffused layers provide a soft, flattering glow on the face, making you look and feel like a star. With a brightness of up to 2500 lumens, the ring light offers intense illumination that can be dimmed to suit your needs. The adaptable lights can be adjusted to match any environment, and the color temperature ranges from 2900 to 7000K. Furthermore, its color rendering index, CRI, exceeds 94%, ensuring accurate color representation. Good stuff. Our next review focuses on the Rotolight LED ring light kit, the best vlogging ring light of 2024. If you're a budding YouTuber, a creative content creator, or a makeup artist aiming for top-notch results, this kit could be a game changer for you. The Rotolight Ultimate Vlogging Kit has earned its reputation for superior light quality and sturdy build, making it an essential tool for content creators. Whether you're filming from home or on the move, the kit, complete with a lightweight tabletop tripod, ensures you're always ready to roll. Setting up your vlogging station is effortless with a Rotolight kit. Attach the light to your smartphone and shotgun microphone not included, and you've got a portable, user-friendly vlogging setup. The award-winning RL48 ring light produces soft illumination, ideal for eliminating unflattering shadows and enhancing your video quality. With the included diffusion and makeup filters, you're guaranteed to look your best under any lighting conditions. The kit also includes color filters that allow you to adjust the lighting atmosphere to suit any time of day. A key feature of the Rotolight LED ring light kit is its internal filter system. Housed within the LED light are ND, skin, color, and minus green filters. This means there's no need for external filters, gels, or wedges to achieve the right brightness and color tone. Plus, all the filters are supplied by Lee, a trusted name in lighting, ensuring high-quality results. The LEDs in the Rotolight emit natural daylight at 5600K, making the light versatile enough for most shooting scenarios. Powered by 3 AA batteries, the light offers 4 hours of runtime when using Li-ion cells. The LED light's power output reaches 242 lux, 1000 lumens, and it features a color temperature of 5600K. However, if you prefer warmer tones, filters for 4100K and 3200K are included in the kit. Introducing the Razer ring light, a product that has secured its place as one of the top contenders in the ring light market, according to our assessment and user feedback in 2024. The Razer ring light brings forth an impressive performance that aligns with your expectations from a 12-inch USB device. It delivers high-quality light, boasts a robust build, and includes a substantial tripod that outshines most competitors. While there are more affordable third-party brands and brighter mains-powered options available, the Razer ring light strikes an ideal balance. It's a versatile everyday tool that lives up to the Razer name's reputation. Following the footsteps of its predecessor, the Lume Cube wireless ring light, the Razer ring light carries the manufacturer's trademark quality and reputation. In doing so, it solidifies its position as one of the best ring lights available. This 12-inch USB light is perfect for streaming, video calling, and blogging. Under optimal conditions, it can also serve as a primary or fill light for photography. Definitely one of the best LED lights for photography. Razer ring light features 192 LEDs that produce 500 lumens of brightness and 10 volts of power. You can adjust the light intensity from 10 to 100% for precise control. It offers 3 color settings: 3000K warm white, 4500K balanced white, and 6500K cool white, allowing you to harmonize the light with daylight, ambient, and artificial light. The light measures 11.8 inches in outer diameter and 9.5 inches in inner diameter, weighing 0.57 pounds. It comes with an adjustable tripod that ranges from 15.8 to 53.2 inches and weighs 1.21 pounds, 550 grams. The package also includes a removable, extendable camera phone holder and a 1/4-inch tripod ball mount suitable for smaller DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, and action cameras. Operating the Razer ring light is a breeze. The wired remote allows you to adjust the brightness, change between the 3 color temperatures, and switch the light on or off. One-handed operation means you can make adjustments subtly off camera when presenting. The sturdy tripod that comes with the ring light deserves special mention. Unlike many other ring lights, the Razer ring light comes with a robust, reliable tripod. The light it emits is softly diffused for a flattering look, and the color temperatures are accurate to Kelvin. The tripod's adjustable head allows you to tilt the light 90 degrees downward, perfect for flat lay or unboxing shots. Unveiling our top pick for the best overall ring light of 2024, we present the Lume Cube ring light. This light stands tall with its impressive power, elegant diffusion, wired and wireless power options, smart information panel, and remote control. It is a versatile tool, making it an excellent choice for portrait photographers, ideal for enhancing Zoom calls, and a must-have for content creators and vloggers. The Lume Cube ring light is designed with an edge-lit configuration, featuring 256 inward-facing LEDs. These are accompanied by built-in diffusion to provide a strong yet soft and even light output, rated at an impressive 96 plus CRI. Power options are flexible, allowing you to use either mains electricity or the integrated lithium-ion battery. The latter provides up to 70 minutes of light at full brightness, extending to 120 minutes at lower power levels. A full recharge takes just 150 minutes, and the light can be used while charging. Adding to its convenience, the Lume Cube ring light includes 2 USB-A ports. This unexpected but highly useful feature lets you connect and power your phone or other devices. The device's remote control is another significant highlight, enabling wireless adjustments without needing a direct line of sight. It allows you to adjust brightness and color temperature with hotkeys for quick access to 3200K or 5600K temperatures and 25%, 50% or 100% brightness settings. The tilt head, which rotates 180 degrees, has been re-engineered to provide more versatility when shooting flat or unboxing images. The rear screen, larger and more informative than ever, not only displays the brightness, color temperature, and remaining battery level, but also calculates the remaining battery time based on the current brightness level. This feature gives you a clear picture of how much shooting time you have left at different outputs. The Lume Cube ring light comes with a newly designed custom light stand that's taller, adjustable from 18 to 70 inches, and offers better build quality than its predecessor. The adjustable temperature feature ensures compatibility with all types of ambient light, be it natural daylight, artificial indoor lighting, or even flash for those wanting to experiment with portrait arrangements. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best ring lights in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.